In the fourth month of September, the grandeur of the total solar eclipse was on display. However, local authorities ordered the region to enter a state of emergency. Why? Could it be that doomsday is approaching? Bikey's password has the answer. Before addressing this question, let's first talk about what a solar eclipse is. Simply put, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon blocks the sun. During a solar eclipse, the sun, earth, and moon are aligned, with the moon positioned between the earth and the sun, blocking the sunlight. Depending on the degree of obstruction, a solar eclipse can be partial, annular, or total. Especially during a total solar eclipse, the spectacle it brings can only be described as breathtaking. When a total solar eclipse occurs, the sun gradually transforms into a crescent shape, and the sky darkens as if night is falling. Once the sun is completely blocked by the moon, it becomes a black sun. Around the solar disk, a ring of red firelight appears, accompanied by several fiery, snake-like prominences. If lucky, observers may even witness a series of sparkling diamond rings and Bailey's beads along the edge of the sun. Generally, the duration of totality can range from 7 minutes to as short as 20 seconds, depending on various factors. However, ancient people always regarded this phenomenon as an ominous sign. In ancient Greek terminology, the term eclipse signifies dimness, gloom, and abandonment, suggesting that the sun has forsaken the earth. Legends such as the Tengu devouring the sun in China and Japan, as well as the swallowing of the sun by a cat in Egypt, India, and Turkey, further illustrate the deep-rooted fear and superstition associated with solar eclipses throughout history. Hence, ancient civilizations often took various precautionary measures during solar eclipses, fearing their potential adverse effects on humanity. Indeed, solar eclipses can have significant impacts on both humans and the natural world. For instance, during the total solar eclipse of 1987, global temperatures dropped by 8 degrees Celsius within 10 minutes, accompanied by a sudden darkness reminiscent of doomsday. Observations by zoologists at the time noted behavioral changes in animals, such as birds returning to their nests and ants becoming disoriented. Meanwhile, insects became more active, seemingly unleashed like demons, causing panic among populations worldwide. Fortunately, once the eclipse passed, everything returned to normal, relieving people of their anxiety. Apart from its effects on the natural world, solar eclipses also influence human activities. Directly observing a solar eclipse with the naked eye can cause eye damage, while the sudden darkness resulting from the eclipse can lead to traffic accidents or collisions due to impaired visibility. Moreover, during a total solar eclipse, the sudden disappearance of solar radiation can disrupt ionospheric activities, affecting shortwave communications, mapping, and navigation projects. While modern technology has mitigated some of the impacts of solar eclipses, precautionary measures are still necessary, especially in regions where eclipses are visible. For instance, in the Niagara Falls area, which is deemed an ideal location for observing total solar eclipses, authorities have prepared extensively for the event, implementing measures to address communication, medical, and safety concerns. In conclusion, while total solar eclipses are undeniably spectacular, they are fleeting moments of beauty. Once the eclipse passes, life returns to normal, albeit with a deeper appreciation for the sun. Therefore, cautious observation of solar eclipses is prudent, considering their potential impacts on both individuals and society as a whole.